Hi everyone and welcome back for another TradingView tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to link charts so you can sync symbols, time frames, and movements for seamless trading experience. Let's go and let's get started. In your trading view, first you need to make sure that you have your layout prepared. So for example, if you're a premium subscriber and you have your layout, choose it, click that, and it will automatically display here 4 different charts. You can also put 4 different assets in each chart. And once you have your chart ready, you go and hover your mouse to the layout setup, click that, and scroll down below. Here you will see sync in layout. So we have here different options. You have symbols, interval, crosshair, time, and data range. So in this case, if you turn them on, for example, the symbols, interval, crosshair, time, and data range, when you hover your mouse to the first chart, it will also show on the other chart. So for example, you hover your mouse on the chart 1, you can also changes in chart 2, chart 3, and chart 4. So that's how it will look like. Linking charts in TradingView will allow you to keep everything in sync, whether you're tracking same asset across different time frames and comparing multiple assets. And this feature will save time and makes technical analysis much easier for you. Now that you know how to link charts, try setting up your perfect layout. And if this tutorial helped, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more TradingView tips. See you in the next one.